Welcome to Yogam channel. Today I'm going to explain about iYoga Kriya. So the first yoga Kriya is eye splashing. So by doing this eye splashing, we always get eyes get cool and also wet. Before going to start eye splashing, first you wash your hands with water. Then you open your eyes with your hand. Then later you splash water 10 times each side of your eye. So like that you can do 10 times each side. You may not get proper water inside your eye. Try to splash more and more as much as you can. Eye splashing can do 5 times or 3 times a day. Whenever you feel strained, you have eye clarity, want eye clarity, who are facing the puffy eyes or swollen eyes, then dry eyes. These are all the people who and also the working professional who are spending more time on screens. For kids, everyone can do this Kriya. After finishing of this Kriya, you just wipe your face and sit calm and feel that effect of the Kriya few seconds. Later, next you go to the right breathing. So how you do right breathing? So you check yourself, keep one hand on your stomach. While taking breath in, stomach has to come out. While taking breath out, stomach goes in. So you always remember the right breathing is stomach out when you are breathing, stomach in when you are breathe out. Now the third one is eye exercise. Start eye exercises. So the first one variation is eyes up and downs. So start from down, always inhale up, exhale down, follow straight line. And also you connect with breathing. And the second variation is eyes right and left. So start from right, inhale left, exhale right, follow straight line. Like that you do 10 to 20 times. Then the third variation, each and every variation you just close your eyes and again open and start the new variation. The third variation is eye left slanting line. Start from one corner to opposite corner. We can also call one cross. Start from down to go up. So always start from down. Inhale goes up, exhale down. Like that 10 times, minimum 10 times. For kids, if you tell 20 times also, no problem. Okay, then after each variation, just close your eyes and again start the next variation. Now the fourth variation is eye right slanting line. Start from another corner point to opposite corner. So that is called right slanting line. So follow a straight and you feel that there is a point between this corner to that corner. Follow a straight line. So always follow, start from down, inhale up, exhale down. Now the fifth variation, eye rotation. Start from down always. So inhale half circle, exhale half circle. Follow breathing like that. As much as you can, you try to expand your eyes and rotate as much as you can. Don't stiff your eyes while doing these eye exercises. Now the sixth variation is anti-clockwise. The eye rotation only, it is anti-clockwise. Start from down, inhale while going up, inhalation, coming down, exhalation. Half circle inhalation, half circle exhalation. Don't stiff your eyes too much, just do free movements. Like this, you can do eye exercises daily. After this, the eye massage, the third one, the last one is after eye exercise, slowly rub your hands. Gently rub your hands, generate heat and touch to the eyeballs. That is gently touch, feather touch. You just touch it, that heat, with that heat you try to rotate clockwise 10 times and again rub your hands, try to generate heat and touch to your eyeballs. Again gently touch, rotate anti-clockwise direction.
Keep your touch your eyeballs like this.
Like that.
Clockwise rotation.
We can do all this eye yoga kriya, proper breathing, eye exercise and relaxation to the eyes.
Now again,
It gives lots of benefit. According to Ayurveda and Siddha, there are 96 eye diseases are there. In the eye black area, white area, eyelids, eyesights, total these areas 96 eye diseases are there. And there are several reasons for eye problems: constipation, overheat in the brain, liver problems, lack of sleep, lack of nutrition, more screen time, genetic, lack of energy in Agna Chakra. These are all the several reasons. Then, what is the diet? Now we are going to discuss about the diet. Before going to start diet, first which organs are connected to the sense organs? So eyes connected to the liver, nose connected to the lungs, tongue connected to the heart, ear connected to the kidney, lips connected to the spleen and stomach. Coming to the diet for good and healthy eye vision. So in your diet add honey amla, drumstick leaves, grapes, carrot juice, papaya, spinach. These are all the several food items which you can also add in your diet. For that we can improve and maintain healthy vision and also reduce eye strain. So these are all the several benefits after doing your eye yoga practices. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to your friends and your dear ones.